Hey Tabiyastics, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am gonna share a tutorial for making an aesthetic creative intro. So for this you just have to go to the Pinterest app and download an aesthetic background. You can download any of your choice and yeah. Now after downloading the image you have to go to the Inshot app and here we will make the intro. So just click on the video section, then new, and then choose the image you have downloaded and yeah, just rotate that and then go to the sticker section and there search for whatever you want. So for the channel's name, like adding the name of the channel, I am choosing the search bar, and yes, you can also choose whatever you want, like aesthetic tapes or anything. Also there are so many subscribe icons, gifs, so you can add that too. So yeah, it's pretty aesthetic, cute, creative. Also you can add many elements like stars or highlights or anything which you want to add, but I am keeping it minimal today, so yeah. So when you are done adding elements, stickers on your intro, you just have to save this and save it on high resolution. So yeah, I am choosing the 1440p one, and yeah, then just go to the vont app and here you can add any text, like if you want to add your channel's name or any titles you want to add, you can add. And this is so similar to phonto app, so yeah, you can easily install fonts here and everything. Here's tutorial given there in that app itself. So yeah, now you can easily edit the text, like adding shadows, choosing colors and everything. I hope this video was helpful for you all, and yeah, if this was helpful then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also please comment down below like if you like the video or not, and yeah, subscribe and watch more. Okay, bye.